Dear viewers, I think you are very fine by the safety of Allah. Today I have come before you to show something amazing. Like you have heard about the charismatic task of our dragon. Whenever our dragon is called, many people think that our dragon is a large magical legendary creature that appears in most of the films. In another sense, it is also told that a mythical monster which spreads fire breathing and symbolizes chaos or evil task is also known to us one type of dragon animal. But now you are following that my cameraman is showing you here about the task of dragon. On the other hand, this type of dragon is like called apita is the fruit of several different cactus species indigenous of the southern Mexico. It is a tropical fruit that is not grown in many parts of the world. The majority of dragon fruit comes from Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand, etc. But dear viewers, you will be surprised to hear that today a number of entrepreneurs have started cultivating this type of dragon fruit in Bangladesh. You know that I am a teacher. Besides my teaching, I also try my level best to show something creative, also innovative. That's why I have appeared before you in this dragon garden. This type of dragon garden is seen, maybe you are following here, a lot of places. Minimum, I have heard from the owner of this garden that here are 150 around this 150 shatoks. This type of owner has started creating and also cultivating this type of dragon. You are following one type of fruit here. Before coming this type of fruit, there must have some symptoms of flower also. I am trying my level best to show something how this type of here are some, you are following some grass here, and when this type of grass becomes larger than the size of it, then some of the workers, they try from their level best, they weed out from here, and obviously we are following here one type of aisle. It is like aisle. My cameraman, you are following here, you are showing here this type of aisle. This type of aisle is used for walking or working here, so that this type of land can be always not over flooded. It should be obviously at like moisture. Incidentally, if any place is not like moisture, or also if it becomes over flooded, obviously the dragon tree becomes so much lost and damaged. That's why at least 2 persons always stay here to nurse this type of garden. And before coming this type of garden or this type of fruit in Bangladesh, now unfortunately a number of people we are habituated of eating this type of dragon fruit from various type of places. Like we are living in the northern part of Bangladesh, like Birganj Dinajpur. In this Birganj Dinajpur, this type of dragon is mainly come from Norsingdi and always like from here Jhinaida, Chuadanga, etc. The owner of this garden has started taking this type of seeds from Chuadanga. At least a gardener or owner of this dragon garden starts taking this type of plant from Chuadanga, because Chuadanga is one type of famous place for cultivating this dragon. From there, this type of today's where I have come before you, the owner of this garden has taken this type of sapling or also plant from there. At least from the beginning of planting or cultivation of this dragon, 1000 plant were taken, and this type of, whenever this type of plant were taken, at least this type, the size of this minimum 1 feet or 1.5. From there, this type of tree becomes larger and larger. Obviously, it should be nursed. Unless this type of garden or this type of tree is nursed, no possibility of coming here and getting here this type of fruit. At least I have heard from everyone that if any fruit becomes mature, there must have at least the weight maybe 4 and 15, nearly half kg. and a few times later I will show what the system of this nursing, what the system of taking caring. So please come. Okay, let's go. Just I am showing from a level base to show the around of this garden. Okay, let's go front.